But Justdial is the stock we should be watching. Disappointed again with its numbers. Ramkumar Krishnamachari, CFO, has just joined us. Ramkumar, good morning. Well, revenue growth, let me start with the positive, has seen some acceleration to 10% from 6.2. But how are you feeling about the last 2 quarters in terms of revenue and therefore in terms of the next 2 quarters?
So this, as reiterated in the earlier quarter, we have seen a trend reversal based on the initiative that we have taken on the expansion of the sales force, and we are seeing incremental benefits of that kicking in from this quarter onwards. So this quarter we have witnessed the the core search has grown 7%. Overall, the growth is 10%. We believe we should see incremental growth rate happening in subsequent quarters as we move forward into Q3 and Q4. We believe that the steps and initiatives that we have taken in Q1 and continue to take in Q2, the full benefit of that we should witness and we should get in FY18. So as far as we are concerned, it is in line with what we had anticipated and based on the steps that we have taken, and it's very encouraging that we are seeing the growth rates coming back or accelerating.
But the worry for the market is the huge drop that we've seen in margins. What led to that?
Right. So as far as margin this quarter is concerned, there's some 8 crore of extraordinary expense that happened this quarter due to the partially on account of shoot of our commercial, and second is on integration with on one of the vertical where we had to pay a lump sum amount for the integration to be done. We recognize the expense in this quarter, so that's what dipped the margin. As we move forward, we are going to start our advertising campaign in November. As I said, the commercial shoot has already been done. So once we start doing the commercials, margin, you will see dip in margin for the next few quarters. It is, but that is something that we have to do it. Considering that we have all these products which needs to be communicated to mass consumers. So you will see the advertising campaign kicking in from November onwards, and you will see a dip in margin as we move forward into Q3 and Q4 due to this.
Okay, so I guess single-digit margins is what we have to prepare for. We also understand you all stopped JD Omni B2B billing and inventory management this quarter. What were the revenues from JD Omni in particular and in Q2 compared to Q1?
Yeah, so we recognized about 5 crore of Omni revenue, and we had about sign up of about 1,500 odd contract during the quarter.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us. So that's Justdial, but we have to get back to the market focus. So we'll slip into a short break, and when we come back, we'll not only track the commodity space, but we'll also tell you how to approach all the falling stocks.